Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Barefoot with Lovely, and today I have a Buttons Galore and More haul. So these are more design team stuff I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I picked up this time around. If you guys would like to save $10 off of your order, I will have a referral code link down below, or not a code, sorry, a referral link down below. So all you do is click on that link, it'll take you to the website, and it'll add a $10 off off your order, your purchase. So if you guys are interested in that, just check the description box so that way you guys can go ahead and pick up, you know, some things that you've seen in either my last haul or the one that you see today. Alright, so I just grabbed this from the mailbox, so I'm not entirely sure what's in here. Kind of forgot already. Try to get different things from the last order, and then if I had a little bit over for me, or a little bit left for me to, sorry. If I had a little bit left over for me to grab, then I picked up some things that I already had. So, okay, so I'm going to try to get this before Kalea tries to, before Kalea starts making noise. So, I went ahead and I picked up more jewels because, like I said, these jewels are so pretty. They have a bunch of other colors. I will make sure to have the other haul video link down below for you. But this is the Jewelz Capri Blue AB. And it's just this really pretty light blue color. I love this one. And then I thought I would get some black because, you know, you can't go wrong with some black. And this one is called Jet. And these are the black jewels. And this is AB, so it has like that iridescent shine onto them. I don't know if you guys can tell. And this one is just plain black. Okay, and then I got more of the tin sequins. So these are the blush sequins in the tin. And then this one here is actually called North Star. I've shared this one before. And this one is just different whites. I thought I would grab it just to see how different it is from the marshmallow, and this one's a really pretty mix as well. So if you have a lot of colors, this would be perfect to add to kind of break it up. It's really, really pretty. It does have some stars in there. I don't know if you guys can see them on the cover, but they're right here. Okay, and then this is for the blush, and this is for the North Star. Alright, so I have the baby here. So let's go ahead and get through this. So this one is called True Love's Kiss. And this one is kind of like a Valentine's Day theme one. It has some red and pinks in it. But I grabbed some stuff for like Disney projects because I'm going to Disneyland a couple times. The week after Mother's Day, for Mother's Day, we'll be there for 4 days at the Disneyland Hotel. And then for Kalea's birthday, which is in June, not too long after, we're going to be there as well for a couple days. So I am going to be doing a bunch of Disney related projects, so I thought I would grab something that has red. And I thought that this was perfect. So this is True Love's Kiss, and it has just pink sequins and some red buttons in it. This one is called Fairy Dust, and this reminds me of The Little Mermaid. It just gives me those kinds of vibes. Really pretty blue and purple. And that's what that one is. As you guys can tell, there's blue buttons and purple star sequins. There's even some blue sequins as well in there. There's just a great variety of sequins in there. So I always love getting these. It comes in a really pretty like plastic container. You could reuse them and use them for you know, other storage for later on. So that's that. And then in here, I'm gonna try to zoom. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see a little better. Okay, so like I said, I was doing some Disney themed projects, so I grabbed these mouse ear sprinklets. I've shared this one before. This is the Merry Mouse Ears, and it's just like a Christmas color schemed one, but it has like mint green and not like a darker green, so I thought this was a really cute set, so I grabbed another one. And then I got 2 of the mouse ear sets, and this one just has the red, yellow, black, and white. So got 2 of those. What else? Okay, and then you guys, they also carry bulk sequins. They don't have like a bunch of options, but they do have some really pretty ones. So this bulk one was $10, and this one right here has like some blues, some peach colored ones, and yellow. And this is the pastel set. They do have one that comes in a plastic container, and it's like $7.99. But I thought for a bigger bag for $9.99, I might as well grab this one. As you guys can see, it comes with some really pretty pastel colors. There's no pink in here. It's more of like a peachy color. I don't know if you guys can see these, but they're more of a peach color. There's a iridescent blue one, some mint green, iridescent mint green, satin. Let me see if I have a container that I could throw these in to show you guys. So, sorry, little man here is just kind of moving around. I'm just going to pour some out so that you guys can kind of see what this one looks like, because you get a lot of it. So I do recommend getting this for the price, and it's already kind of mixed in for you. So if you need to add in some pink, you can grab a pink set and then add in some pink as well. But this is how it looks. I think this is perfect for like a summer theme like project. Oh. For like a summer theme project, so I think this would be really pretty to use. So did grab that. Again, that was $9.99 for that one. And then I also grabbed some buttons. And you guys, I don't really use buttons, but I thought I would grab a couple more to show you guys and try to use. I got them in red and black, so again for Disney projects. So these are the tiny buttons in red and black. These are the item numbers. And they are really small. They are the cutest little things. I don't know what I'm going to do with them exactly, but it's always fun to have buttons to use as some kind of challenge. So I got the red and black. I also got little red hearts. Guys, look how cute these are. So tiny. These are perfect for like little bows. And these are the little red hearts. And these ones are more matte, and the hearts are a little bit like on a shinier side. I don't know if you guys can tell like the difference. But those are the little buttons and the heart buttons. I did also grab some Ladybugs. They are in 2 different reds. There's like a candy apple red and just a regular, or well, I guess like a lighter red. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys can see one looks more pink and the other one looks more red. And I thought I'd grab this. Is this one? Oh, this one came apart. I was like wondering what happened. But yeah, so I think these would be really cute to use for some summer theme stuff. So I grabbed a pack of those to try and use. This is under the butterflies and bugs, in case you guys want to look it up. But here's the number on there. And then I shared this one before. This is the blush set of Sequins. It looks like this blush looks way different from the other one. I don't know if they are changing their blush. So I'm going to show you guys this, because the ones that I got recent, or from the last time, let me show you guys. Oh, right here. Everywhere. Okay, so this is the blush that I showed you guys from last time. This is how it looks this time. So these two are totally different. Same number. So I don't know what the difference, or like if this is a newer one or this is an older pack and this is the newer one. But as you guys can tell, the colors are 2 totally different ones. So I'm sorry. I can't really tell you guys because they're the same ones. But if you guys want to try and order them, these are the 2 different kinds Unfortunately, you can't choose which one because, like I said, I wasn't expecting to get something different. But I do use this one a lot. This is just a little bit darker, so this one's just definitely going to be fun to use just because it's different. But I can't guarantee that you guys are going to get a lighter set just because the last time I ordered it was lighter, and this time it's darker. So you guys can see the difference. But it's the blushed bag sequins. So you guys can order it. I just can't, you know, tell you if you're going to get a light one or a dark blush set. I didn't know they had two different kinds. Okay, and then this is the Ink Blot Sprinklets, which are like clay sprinkles. And this one is in the Ink Blot color scheme, so black and white. Again, Disney stuff. So I thought it would be cute to have some Disney stuff made with these. So black and white, can't go wrong with that. For spring stuff, I picked up 2 of these Outdoor Garden Bugs buttons. I didn't realize I grabbed 2 of them, but I thought they were cute, so. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to put the baby down. He was kind of kicking around, making it hard for me to show you guys. But yeah, so this one has some bumblebees, butterflies, ladybugs, and I got 2 packs of those. And you guys can see the ladybugs on here are a little bit different. I do love the ones in this pack a little bit more, but these ones are shinier, and this is matte. And you get some bumblebees and some butterflies. And I thought this would be really cute also for like some spring and summer stuff. So I got 2 of those. This is a magical Sparklet, so it has little Mickey Mouse confetti. Kind of wish there was more in there. It's mainly kind of like these clear ones, but I'm pretty sure these are packaged up. And so it just depends on how the scoop looks or how the scoop goes. So I'm pretty sure some packs you might actually get more of the confetti, but there are some of those little dewdrop looking things inside. You get some yellow sequins and then some Mickey red and black head sequins. And here is that number. Okay, and then I've shared these hearts before. These are the Sparklet's hearts. You guys can see that pretty shine that these give. And this is that number. And then I also got, this time, the stars. These are the crystal stars. So I thought I would try these out. And look at how pretty these things shine. So pretty. And the price on these are so well priced. They're not too expensive. Yeah. So I do recommend these. I always recommend everything, you guys. You definitely, you know, you pay a really small amount, but you get such good quality products. Okay, and this one I think is called Coral Coast, sorry. This one got cut off, unfortunately, but if you look up Coral Coast, this one will come up. But it has just some really pretty pinks and a pearl and like iridescent stuff on inside of it. So there's some like gold halfback pearls. There's some iridescent rhinestones, pink sequins, and you even get some clear dewdrops, pink dewdrops, I think. Just a really pretty set. So you guys can see a lot of the gold ones are flipped upside down, but there's definitely a variety in here. Love this set. I can't wait to play with this one. So there's that one, a couple more here. I got different kinds, like I said, just to show you guys. This one right here is called Barefoot Beach. And again, they're Sparklets. And this one has like a really pretty pink. Online, it kind of looks more mauve, but it's actually more pink. So I'm really glad I picked this one up because these are really pretty. They're little pink rhinestones, and they're kind of more of an opaque color. And then you get some halfback pearls, dewdrops, and some of these star seeds. Sorry about that. But yeah, so again, this one's called Barefoot Beach. I wasn't expecting it to be this cute. It's really pretty. Do suggest that one as well. I also got a blue one to try out, and this one is called Island Breeze. And This one has some like blue rhinestones in here. It has like AB rhinestones or jewels. Actually, these might be, no, they look a little bit lighter. I don't know, are they the same? But yeah, this one has some blues. Again, same thing. They always have dewdrops in there, or like those little bubble looking ones. And then they even have some white jewels in there as well. I love this mix. I'm glad I got this one. I've never had this, but I'm glad I have a blue one as well. I also grabbed this. I wasn't sure how this was gonna look, but this is called Strawberry. And it's like a really dark pink jewel. And this one's jam-packed. These are the crystals. And again, I got it in the strawberry color. It's a really nice, pretty dark pink. Perfect for summer. So there's that one. And the last two, so this one right here is called Winter Wishes. As you guys can tell, it does really give you wintry vibes. There are gold stars in here, really pretty. They're actually more like a champagne gold color. You get some blue jewels, pink as well. When I say jewels, I mean rhinestones. They're kind of like these. So you get some blue. This one's like a little bit more of a darker blue. You get pink, you get white, or like clear, transparent. And it's literally, all of these are transparent. Sorry guys, my camera is like really acting up. Okay, so yeah, so like I was saying, all of these are transparent except for the gold stars. So everything in here, as you guys can see, is all clear. But it's such a pretty set. I love this set. It is winter. It's called Winter Wishes, but I think these will go well with like any kind of spring type of projects. Okay, and then the last one is All Is Calm, another winter themed one. But the difference with this one is it has like the mint green halfback pearls. I think these are pretty similar. The only thing is they don't have the gold stars. They have, or like the champagne colored stars. They have the clear iridescent stars, and then they added some mint halfback pearls. But other than that, I think a lot of it is kind of the same. And then the jewels that are blue in here, these ones right here are more of like, oh no, they have seed beads. Those little like, I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry for Clea. These teal ones are actually seed beads. They're clear seed beads with blue centers. They're really pretty. I actually do love this mix. This is actually really pretty. Alright, so that one is All Is Calm. I don't know if I showed you guys. So there's that. If you guys are interested in the other haul video, you guys can go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked down below. I think I have a playlist, so I'll make sure to link it down below for you guys, so that way in case you guys want to check out any of the other ones that I picked up before, you guys can pick those up. Like I said, I have a referral link down below so that you guys can save $10 on your purchase. So if you're interested in that code, or not the code, sorry, I keep saying code, but if you're interested in the link, go ahead and check the description box. I usually have it after my little type up that I put in there. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!